My name is Dr. Jameel Gardee and welcome to Avant Garde Aesthetic Smile Design Excellence, where innovation meets education in the world of modern digital dentistry. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to take your clinical skills and digital workflows to the next level, you're in the right place. Our philosophy is simple: deliver world-class education with clarity, structure, and purpose. We eliminate the redundancy found in live courses and replace it with a modular, progressive approach that fits your schedule, your goals, and your team's specific needs. Every module is designed to not only teach, but to transform the way that you practice, enhancing patient experience, driving clinical precision, and accelerating practice growth. This is the complete digital dentistry blueprint for modern clinicians. Over the next 12 weeks, you're going to experience a powerful hybrid program designed to elevate your clinical outcomes, enhance your digital workflows, and grow your confidence in delivering beautiful, functional smiles, predictably and profitably. This course brings together the latest innovations in aesthetic dentistry, digital design and clinical implementation, delivered through 8 structured modules, pre-recorded content, and 4 live mentorship sessions. Whether you're new to digital or refining advanced techniques, this program meets you where you are and guides you step by step. To get the most from this journey, you'll need access to an intraoral scanner, a willingness to implement, and a mindset ready for transformation. Across the 8 modules, you'll cover everything from foundational guided workflows to advanced clinical applications, including smile design, first fit and no prep veneers, clear aligner integration, practice systems, and future-forward digital techniques. You'll learn from leading instructors, including Dr. Robbie, Emily, Dr. Bav, Dr. Malad, and myself, each bringing their unique expertise and real-world cases to the screen. Alongside the lectures, you'll complete practical assignments and submit real patient cases for feedback and certification. Your learning is supported by 4 live mentorship sessions, covering everything from implementation strategy to complex case planning and smile design mastery. These sessions are your opportunity to connect directly with instructors, ask questions, and workshop real challenges with your peers. To earn certification, you'll need to complete all modules and quizzes, submit 5 documented cases using the workflows taught, and actively participate in mentorship assignments and peer reviews. The goal isn't just knowledge, it's confident clinical execution. We're excited to welcome you to this immersive learning experience. It's time to modernize your workflows, master aesthetic smile design, and become part of the next generation of digitally empowered clinicians. Let's get started.